Gotta reload quick.
You got a chrono there.
Yeah. That was unenthusiastic.
Hey guys, I'm currently leading a push to gain some early ground so my teammates can score. In this game mode, tagging the ref in the center of the map with the sword scores 1 point. Most points at the end of this round wins.
It's clear, push up, push up, push up, push up!
The enemy neglected to push this side. Time to capitalize.
Farther, farther, let's go! We did it again.
Oh my gosh.
It's super windy today, so I'm tilting my gun against the wind and taking more shots than usual.
We are rude. Sorry for the overshoot. Oh, I'm getting sniped at. I don't know where from. Right side. Oh, shoot. Let's go. What is he doing? Not reaching, buddy. Oh no! Hey! Alright. Hi! Hey, we need more guys up here. Get more up here. Alright. He's out of range.
Hit again, but I've thinned out enough enemies for my team to push.
Oh, it's sudden death. Sudden death, let's go, let's go. I don't even know if I got it.
We almost lost there. Luckily, a teammate took him out. And there's the win. Thank you guys so much for watching, and make sure to stop by Champion Valley if you ever get the chance. I'll see you in the next one.
I don't even know if I got
This guy shot
anyone.
me in the cheeks.